Whoa! It might take you and me. All right, the big thing is we're gonna have to beat this storm.
Y'all got a whole camera crew.
Yeah, we got Fox 35 with us today.
Our summer safety spotlight this week keeps us on the beach, and what a great place to be. Many beachgoers, they're accustomed to driving on the beach here in Volusia County. But what happens if you get stuck?
Before you go onto the soft sand, if you are four-wheel drive, make sure it's in four-wheel drive. If you are all-wheel drive, go where it's two-wheel drive.
Okay.
You know, and if you're two-wheel drive, don't go anywhere where a sign says don't go.
John, the owner of Santos, said before we got down to the rules of the beach road,
Are we on camera?
we needed to start with a hug. Hey,
I love that.
And of course, I'm recording you guys as you're recording us.
I love that. Hey, I love that. That's awesome. I'm gonna go back. Is it in the budget for me to get some of the?
Right?
I'm
gonna need some of these.
Yeah, exactly.
Here's a commercial for them.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
You just gotta ask me questions. I'll just
ask
answer.
a question. Yeah, that's perfect.
Q&A. Let's go. First thing we have to do, because this is good karma. Are we on camera?
We are.
We're gonna give it a hug.
Oh, hey,
Let's hug it up.
I love that. Oh. You can't. You need a
All right.
hug.
Now we can get started.
Little kindness goes a long
Little
way.
kindness goes a long way.
Especially
All
this
right,
day and
man.
age. Can I say CEO or owner of Santo? All the above.
I'm both of those. That is my son, and he is my partner. He's picked up just a whole bunch. I've been doing this for 3 years in June.
Okay.
So a few months ago, I had put some stuff online. I had maybe a couple hundred followers, about 40 videos up.
Yeah.
And my son says, "Oh, I'll get involved in the media with you, Dad. How's that sound?" I said, "Son, I would love for you to get involved in the media." So here we are, 3 months later. There's 125,000 Instagram followers now.
Wow.
40,000 YouTube. I mean, it's just gone crazy. We've had over 40 million views in the last 28 days across 4 platforms.
Wow, that's spectacular.
So we're just thankful, man. We're thankful to the people. Thank you so much. We're just trying to help folks out and spread a good vibe while we're doing it.
After that, it was time to get down to sandy business. All right, sounds good, buddy.
Yeah, we cleared. So this is the biggest truck, so hopefully we can fit you.
Oh, no, you're good. Yeah, I can put my tripod.
I think it's the highest truck I've ever actually been.
Yeah. The craziest part is, so these are, what's
John,
that?
Mind if I put my tripod?
Oh, absolutely not.
Okay.
This is 38-inch tires. We're gonna go another 2 inches up to 40 soon, so it's gonna get a little bit bigger.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
Yeah, it should be about another inch or so taller.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Nothing crazy, but they're really aggressive tires, so it's gonna look gnarly.
I feel like they look that way.
Yeah.
They look.
Yeah.
They already look gnarly.
Yeah, they do, which is awesome.
Yeah. It's a fun truck. This one probably gets the most looks just because of its sheer size and sound.
It's big.
Oh yeah.
Are they all V8s? No.
This is the only.
We
V8.
talk about it's funny because all the Tacomas are V6s, but we want a V8 swap one of the Tacomas.
Okay.
So that may or may not be happening eventually.
Yeah, we'll see if we end up getting around to that anytime.
Next year.
Yeah, that'd be. Would that be? Would you guys do it yourself, or would you guys send it in and have it?
We are, so it would
We're
be a lot.
we're trying to figure that out.
We got to ride along with Johnny and feel how tough that sand was to drive on. So what is the name? What's the name of this sand? This is that
Coquina sand.
Coquina sand.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you can see the sand difference here.
Oh my gosh.
The dark red and the elevation, like we're on kind of a sidewall right now.
Yeah.
Like we're gonna get a little sideways.
Wow.
So it's like a off-road park out here, kind of. It's pretty crazy.
It's funny because this sand, Johnny, is kind of how it is up in Maryland. Like it looks kind of like, it doesn't look like the typical sand down in Daytona.
Right.
Exactly.
A few moments later.
I thought they were gonna program a new key for it. Okay. All right. Well, I'm gonna lap down. I'm already on the beach, so it's gonna take me a minute to get off, but I'll get off at the nearest exit. I got you. All right. Bye. So the tow pros said, he was just doing a key. He actually tried to tow the guy and got himself stuck. So, this is exactly what my dad was talking about. The tow truck companies come out here and get stuck, and
you have to.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go get them.
Now you get a 2-in-1, right?
Yep. They've closed it.
We'll have,
They've closed down some of these ramps, so we got to go back.
Meanwhile,
All right, the big thing is we're gonna have to beat this storm. This baby's coming in. That finger right there and that one, I think are gonna head south, but I think this one right here, getting ready to pop us.
If we got towed, do y'all tow to the dealership? Would y'all?
No, we only tow
get
out of the soft stuff. So we would tow you to the ramp, and then someone like these guys would get the from the ramp and tow you the rest of the way out.
Gotcha.
Yeah, we all of our equipment is all kinetic ropes and synthetic lines, so we can't go very far on the freeway without, or on the road without tearing them up. We can get you out there. What we're going to do is we're going to work with him and get you both out as a team. Yeah, this thing, I just think that
The damn dolly tires, that's what it is.
yeah, the dolly tires are 12 inches, and it's just framed out.
That much. They make them a little taller. Yeah, because they make highway dollies, but they're only a little bigger and a little wider.
So a question, are these rear wheels attached to this dolly? Because with our momentum, we might pull this thing off of the dolly if it stays in the water.
I know.
Can we ratchet strap the rear wheels down?
That's what sucks, because if you ratchet strap the wheels around the bars, it just pulls the bars up, like out of the slots.
Ah, I see. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, there's no way to do that.
It just
Yep,
hugs it up.
that makes sense. But we'll just have to try and do it. We can put the winch on the front too, and slowly pull it if we have to.
Yeah.
But I'm hoping with kinetic lines we'll have enough energy together.
Yeah, wish it would just back up, because if I was like right here, like I think it'd be golden.
Right. Yeah, that's what I said. Right here, this little path right here.
This is it. Yeah, that's all.
But the problem is, there's no way for him to get that turn with you right here. He couldn't get in a turn like that.
Yeah.
So as soon as we get out of this sherbet and onto the hard, we'll be fine. Are you leaving? I'll get out of the way. Yeah, just come ask me. I'll move my truck. Hey, how far away are you?
I am passing Bel Air Plaza on A1M.
Okay. We're keeping the whole program waiting on you right now. He called his boss. He's got 12-inch wheels on the back of this thing on a skid trail because he lost the key in the ocean, so it's locked in drive. Yeah. So, but when you see this guy's got little 12-inch tires in the back, there's no way to get that. He just doesn't have enough momentum to get these little tires rolling. So it's gonna take you. It might take you and me. Yeah, I could probably do it with mine, but I just replaced the rear end in that little one for $3,500 last week. So I'm like, you know what? We'll just go ahead and let the big girl do it. I may have to wait 15 minutes, but she's built for it.
That's a more common call we get, is someone, you know, with just their rear tires buried like that.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That's what I'm working on. Oh, we got a crowd. This is another thing. Once it sits for a while like this, we get an audience. Alright. Oh, wrong one. Hold on. I'm getting in low. I kind of want to try it myself.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you.
Okay.
I think you can do it.
Oh, so he's got it on those tires for on the streets.
Right, and those are not attached to the skid, and the center rails come out of those wheels. So we're coming close. We could almost drop that. We got to be really slow coming out, or it's gonna pull it off of the rack. Go look around the other side.
Well, I gotta what? Winch it at first?
We're gonna have to slow crawl.
How you doing, man?
What's going on? I lied, I wasn't good.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I would have stuck down here. I tried to get back as fast as I could.
No, you're good, man. Yeah, no,
All right.
wasn't ready for the dolly tires.
Yeah.
Y'all got a whole camera crew.
Yeah, we got the Fox 35 with us today. Look, if you see down there, it looks like oh no, he turned on 4-wheel drive. So there you go. They'll wait till they get on the beach to engage 4-wheel drive, and sometimes they'll sync it. Like my dad was talking about earlier, if it's actuator's bad or something and it doesn't engage, now you're on the beach already in 2-wheel drive. Not a good situation, so got to be careful. Is your vehicle, sir?
Yes.
How you doing? What was your name?
Mike McCauley.
Mike, nice to meet you, John.
Nice to meet you, John.
Don't worry about it, man.
Yeah, these tires were like that big
Yep.
and that wide.
Yeah. Well, and this is made for obviously, you know, like on the road kind of thing.
Yeah,
so.
yeah. For when you're in 4-wheel drive. When you're in 4-wheel drive.
Right, right. Are you saying I can still, you're saying take it slow. Do I need to winch it at first, or can I still kinetic it? You think it'll be fine?
He's moving,
Okay.
but he can only get about 5 feet, and then that skids.
All right, yeah, let's give it a kinetic shot. I mean, if it falls off, I don't think it's gonna mess anything up.
We give it a shot. I'm going to stand back there and watch it. If it falls off, I'll tell you.
Okay.
But I think if you guys can coordinate well, I think it can roll out.
Yeah.
I'm worried about it falling off that rack. All right, here we go. Yeah, we got Fox 35 following us around.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna give it a nice easy bump and we'll see if you can get going with me. If not, I mean, we might try a mediocre bump, nothing crazy, semi, and then if that doesn't work, we'll winch it. You hear me?
Yeah.
I might give it a little bump, and if not, we'll winch
I'm
it.
going to stand and watch the rack. I'll just holler at you.
Okay.
All right. You know how it rolls. As it gets the tight, the tight goes.
Yeah, I was gonna say, just, you know.
That'll get tight. Yeah, I'm just going to watch it and tell you to stop if it does.
Yeah, just coordinate with me as best you can. You know, hold off on it when we're going, give it a little.
Johnny, make sure you come this way. You got to get off that berm. All right, go ahead, Dominic.
Whoa! You got your wheel the wrong way, bud.
Turn your wheel all the way this way. There you go. Back up again a little bit.
Be ready, Dominic. Hold the wheel tight. Give it some gas.
You gonna be good from there?
Oh, yeah, it should be good. What was your name? My bad.
Johnny.
Johnny? Dom.
What was yours?
Dom.
Dom, nice to meet you, man.
Nice you were with your dad.
Hell yeah.
Good job. Probably need to keep going.
Oh, it's still.
He's still thick, Johnny.
I didn't
You need to go forward. I mean, go ahead, give it a shot.
Yeah, I'll give it a shot.
He's still deep back there.
Yeah.
I think you'll be all right. Yeah, you're good. Let me pull up. I'm glad we were able to just do good. I love the cheering. Right. Great. Be blessed, yes.
I need to get one of those Tacomas next time.
Be blessed. Remember.
Yeah, no, you guys are the best. I appreciate it.
Absolutely, man. We're glad to help.
You got our number, so if you guys.
Yeah, like you said, we're together, man. No charge for you. We take care of you. You take care of us. All right.
Like like you said, have that uplifting attitude and kind of get them more on the right track. Hey, we're going to get you out of here. You're going to be able to enjoy your day.
Remember, Santo is the official partner of the Volusia County beaches. If you're in a jam, they're here to help. So get on over to their website, santo.com, if you ever get stuck out on the beach.